Good afternoon. My name is Quincy Pinling from Professor Daniel Stein CIS 205 class at Queensborough Community College. Today, I will be speaking about Chapter 3 in our textbook, Strategic Initiatives. Now, there are many different ways organizations can improve its business. One very important way is through business process reengineering. This is when an organization analyzes and redesigns their workflow as a way to maximize efficiency. A great example of this would be like as if I own the business and I'm the leader in my specific market. If I'm constantly late with my deliveries and do not communicate well with my consumers, I can easily move to the bottom of the market. But if I'm constantly trying to come up with new ways to improve customer delivery, then I will benefit greatly from that. This happens all the time in business. Now, a supply chain is a network of business partners who are all connected through communication channels and relationships. For example, when you go to Foot Locker as a customer, that sneaker that you would pick up, it wasn't made there. It came in a truck. The truck had picked it up from where the sneakers are actually produced. The sneaker laces and other raw materials used to make those shoes were not where the sneakers were being produced. They had to get there from other different manufacturers. The same concept goes with buying food at McDonald's. When you go to buy food at McDonald's and you buy a burger, the bun and the meat of the burger wasn't made there. They're not slaughtering cows in the back. They all came from somewhere that came from somewhere that came from somewhere. Supply chain management is the management of information flow that happens between each variable in a supply chain. If management of a supply chain is done well, it can extremely maximize the efficiency and even make a company more profitable. With the right management and relationships, expenses can be reduced while increasing your profit. Now, relationships with customers are very important. You want your customers to be able to trust you. Even if you have an amazing product, if your relationship with your customer is weak, people will not want to buy from you. Customer relationship is when a business manages all of the aspects of a customer's relations with the business. With the proper CMR, a business can watch carefully the buying and shopping habits of all customers, which can help a business develop stronger strategies.